Digital assisted and supported living. Facebook Messenger is an easy and quick way to communicate with your friends and family. It can be used on either a laptop, a computer, or on a smartphone or tablet. You can type messages to each other, or video chat. You can even send pictures to each other. To use it on a smartphone or tablet, you can download the Messenger app for free from the Apple or Android App Store. You don't even need a Facebook account to use it. Or to use Messenger on your computer or laptop, just log into Facebook. You will first need to sign up for a Facebook account. If you would like to know more about other assistive technology products, please visit the Digital Assisted and Supported Living area on our Sunderland Information Point website at www.sunderlandinformationpoint.co.uk.